Good morning from Puerto, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Let's go to have short time trial. How many minutes we need to make these stairs up to La Paz, Mirador La Paz. Not running, just fast walking. Morning, boys.
Yes.
No.
That was the first part. Now it's gonna be second. Agatha Christie stairs. This is a beautiful part. You can hear me breathing. Yeah, well, it's a fast walk. There we are, Mirador La Paz. So how many minutes and seconds? You know better than me. To see this beauty. Cloudy morning, as usually these days, but afternoon could be different. We are expecting 24, 25 degrees, very comfortable temperature. Not too hot. I usually say to tourists, especially with a very white skin, even if it's cloudy, please use protection cream, because after a few hours you can be burnt. The sun is very strong here, even if it's cloudy. Memory locks. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto, Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. There's greetings from Puerto and viva la música.